In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with NFTs on Android using some specific NFT applications. Lots of people have always wanted to be involved with NFT creation and sales on their phones, but they just don't know how to go about it. Through these applications, you can get started with NFTs like a professional. My hint will help you be a professional about getting started with NFTs on Android phones. So make sure that you watch until the end so that you don't miss out on the very important tips at the end, because it's very tricky and most people do it the wrong way. That's why some NFT beginners have problems with their NFT trading foundation. But before we start, welcome to NFT Girl, where we teach you how to make money online using the simplest way possible. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So, what do you think NFT is? NFT is majorly called a non-fungible token. Yes, just as I termed it, it is an advanced technology token, and guess what? It is now in use, and it is one of the most trending financial solutions. I know it all sounds cliche, but stay with me. NFTs are used by some as a side hustle, and others take it with much seriousness. Either way, it can earn you a ton of money while you're away. Now, if you feel like you want to do less for money and want to have your little efforts work for you, then welcome to the NFT world. Let's get you started. If you've decided to start NFT trading, then you need to have a medium, a tool, and a method. These are all intuitive ways you can start up an NFT business, and each of these pointers are very important. For the sake of this video, I will explain the 3 pointers to you so you can be properly ready for the NFT world. Now, firstly, your NFT medium. Either mining, buying or selling of NFTs, you must have a medium of approach. Come to think of it, even in finance, have you ever heard of any cash being cashed without a bank? That's not possible. That is why there is a subtle reason for you to have a medium of approach before starting your NFT. So what are these mediums? The mediums with which you can mine, buy or sell NFTs are through smartphones or computers. That's quite straightforward, right? I know. You can either get involved in the NFT business through your mobile phone or through your system. Whatever mobile phone or system you're using, you need to realize that it must have a consistent or constant reachable internet supply, simply because that is one of the fuse of NFTs. Now, for mobile phones, you can be using a basic Android operating system or an Apple system, which is the iPhone. For this video, I will be explaining more about the Android phones and the 10 best NFT apps to use on them. I know you want me to jump right into it, but before that, let me quickly add you in on the third pointer, which is the NFT method. Hold it. I know you must be wondering why I switched from the first to the third. Don't lose it yet. This is just because the best 10 NFT apps to use on Android are the second pointers, and I will be talking on that last. Now for the third pointer. NFT has many methods of approach. Believe me, it's a whole new world on its own. And now that you've stumbled on this video, I know you will be equipped with the best ways to get started. So, the methods involved in NFTs are drawings and sketches. In NFTs, you can create a 2D diagram and sell it on any NFT website and get paid easily. Or you can create a more compelling 3D design that will cost more. Those are the two major methods involved in NFTs. Either you create 2D or 3D designs. Some expert NFT traders go as far as creating photo images and selling them on NFT websites. Oops, have I mentioned symbols? NFTs could also be created with symbols and sold at alarming prices. But all of this depends vividly on the fluctuation and price of the coin. This brings me to tell you a little bit more about the currency of NFTs. NFTs are traded in digital coins. They are made to be sold and bought in that manner. So if you want to be involved in NFTs, this is something you should also consider and own some of the needed coins. You also have to have a digital wallet. Although for NFTs, it is advised to have a MetaTask wallet. It is one of the most used NFT wallets because it connects easily with many of those NFT tools. Now, since I've mentioned the word tools, I think it's now time to talk about the NFT tools required for NFT trading. Although there are many NFT tools to use and their classifications, but the best NFT tools to use are the NFT applications. There are also many applications to use, like regular NFT websites, minting websites, NFT collection websites, and the NFT review websites. All of these I just mentioned are classifications of the numerous existing NFT tools. But I had promised at the beginning of this video that I will be explaining how to get started with NFTs on Android through the 10 best NFT apps. Now I'm going to list them. If you're watching through your system, I will suggest that you screenshot this now or save this video. And if you're watching with your phone, then I'll suggest that you get a pen and you sit back tight and listen carefully. Okay, here we go. Now for the 10 best apps that I suggest you get started on NFTs on Android. They are: number 1, we have Alpha Wallet. Number 2, Engine. This is spelled ENGIN. Number 3, Math Wallet. Number 4, OpenSea. Number 5, Token. This is spelled TALKEN. Number 6, Reddit. Number 7, Curate. Number 8, Trust Wallet. Number 9, MetaMask. And number 10, any web browser. Now know this. Some of those applications can be free to use, while others may be free at the beginning and costly when you start using them. But regardless, they are all good NFT websites. Now for the first application, which is the Alpha Wallet. You need to be a freebie lover to use this application. No, I'm just joking. But guess what? The Alpha Wallet is one of the simplest, easiest, and less costly NFT applications to use. Alpha Wallet application is completely free. One of its advantage over others is that it has an open source wallet, it is a full power token, and also it has a built-in web browser. Now, with these applications on your Android for your NFT transactions, trust me, you're in for a wonderful experience because it supports native ERC20, ERC721, and ERC875. Also with this application, you can keep a track record of all your NFT transactions and it lets you view all your NFTs on the Ethereum network. And the most interesting part is you can get it on Google Play Store. Okay, that's for the first application. The second application to get started with NFTs on Android, as I've said, is Engine. Okay, pause. If you would like to have multiple coins, then this should be your best choice application for NFT. The Engine application is also free, and guess what? It is very new in the NFT market space. Therefore, you should probably try it before it gets costly and overpopulated. Don't tell anyone I said that though. The engine works for currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other ones. The app also has access to a major NFT marketplace where you can easily purchase NFTs and manage them as easily as you want. Although the third app is one of the best, it is not so special in its ways. The Math Wallet is the third app I mentioned. This app, like I said, is one of the best NFT apps that can be used on Android. But the reason why I said that it is not so special, it has a lot of characteristics and relations to the Engine and Alpha Wallet. The Math Wallet also provides a multi-chain wallet function and has a competitive price. Now, the Math Wallet app is capable of boasting over 1,500 dApps for various transfers. Now, this means that easily you can work on NFT marketplaces directly from the app. Since it is also an Android application, it can also be downloaded on Google Play Store. Now for the fourth application, which is the OpenSea app. Heads will have to roll for this one. Well, you might want to ask why. Trust me, it is not because it's the best of the best, but because it is the most used NFT application at the moment. This is not a fact, it is only natural. I bet if you watch 1,000 videos on NFTs, most of the videos you will see will have an inclusion on the OpenSea website. This app is just well designed in that it has a friendly user space and also has a wide category for NFT usage. Okay, don't be surprised when I say this, even with the exceptional features provided by the designers of this website, it is still free and open to use for anyone. It can allow you to find, bookmark, and save NFTs. On the OpenSea app, you can easily manage your profits and your saved NFTs. Lastly, it has a decent search function that ranks well on Google. Now for the fifth app, the token application. Amongst all the applications to get started with NFT on Android, the token app is the best one that allows you to run, maintain functions. Most of the other applications don't allow you to do it, but this application has a built-in feature for proper minting of NFTs and it uses the Ethereum wallet. Apart from the minting ability, it is also very functional because it is built to give more importance to NFTs rather than to give more importance to regular crypto transactions. Now, this is not free. The token website costs anything from being free to 99 cents. Whoa! Finally, we are halfway. Hope you've been following up closely with NFT. Now for the second half. The sixth best application to get started with NFTs on Android is Reddit. That is my reason for hooting NFT 3 times. Reddit is one of the largest NFT communities. This right here is the Facebook of NFT. You can find new, intermediary, or expert NFT creators on Reddit. Even from the design of the website, you'll be astonished as to the way it was made. It has an orange welcoming color that makes the homepage very friendly and soothing to use. Even though on Reddit, you'll be exposed to many arrays of NFTs and their designers, the application is still being sold at a very marketable price. The Reddit app is free at first, but for exclusive usage, you need to pay a monthly subscription of $3.99 and an annual subscription of $29.99. Also, the Reddit website contains up to more than 200,000 members, if not more than that. But most importantly, it gives NFT creators the ability to be able to chat and meet with other NFT creators all around the world. It is flexible, hence it can be downloaded on Google Play. Now, the seventh application we mentioned was Curate. Don't be misjudged by the title. It is not so exceptional, but it has made the top 10 list. So why? The Curate app is a proper NFT application without a doubt, but guess what? It is also a gasless approach to NFTs. The application possesses many features, which includes the ability to browse existing ERC 721 and ERC 1155 and to buy and sell NFTs. Meanwhile, I must warn you that the curation website is not large at the moment, so you must be able to have a little bit of trust in the website before using it. Over time, they are going to relatively improve as a web page. Now for the 8th application that I mentioned, the title will already convince you that it is the best. It is not perfect, but truly it is one of the best NFT applications. Trust Wallet is an elite website used by many people on the Google Play Store for NFT related activities. To consider using Trust Wallet, you need to be aware of its functions. This website provides all crypto functionalities. Buying, selling, and managing are possible in cryptocurrency. In addition to that, it also has a highly supportive dApps ability that showcases NFTs. Some of the wallets that are compatible with it are Ethereum and Bitcoin. Lastly, you can easily download this application on the Google Play Store. Next is the 9th application. This application, as I earlier mentioned, is called MetaMask. MetaMask is a hit or a miss kind of application. It is by far one of the best NFT apps around. Meanwhile, it is designed with most of its ability on the crypto side of the app rather than the NFT part. But this doesn't mean it is not NFT capable. You can also buy, sell, and swap for NFTs on the application. The application is designed such that you can download either the phone app or the desktop app. But as for any application, before downloading this application, make sure you read some reviews on the Google Play Store to see if it is your best choice. Finally, the most important feature is that it is free to use. Yippee! We've finally gotten to the last application I mentioned. For the last application, all you need is a working browser. That is why I termed it any web browser. And as we all know, all web browsers are free to use, so this application is free. It is also user-based in the sense that you can easily select between several types of web browsers to use. While still on using web browsers, you can Google search many other applications to download or read more reviews on new applications that can be very useful. There are a bunch of NFT marketplaces like Sorare and Rarible. All of them can be Google searched and used to access NFT marketplaces or crypto accounts. Until you use the web browser applications like Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, you simply can't tell the other list of best Android NFT applications that exist. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.